I don't know, but I had to do this. Messages from Kali. I don't know. कुछ है that you are going through something. ठीक है? And ये एक चीज़ आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस जैसी है. Like you're going through a transformation, but it's a very different transformation than the transformations you've had before. ये कोई एक नई चीज़ नहीं है आपके लिए. It's a completely unique feeling. आपको headaches हो सकते हैं. रेड कलर बहुत अट्रैक्ट करता हो सकता है. रेड, येलो, ऑरेंज. ऐसा सुनाई दे रहा है कि लोगों ने आपको वो ग्रे ब्लेंड कलर्स बहुत थोपे, लिटरली इम्पोज दोज dullness onto you. And पता नहीं क्यों, but I had to do this reading, and this is clearly Ma Kali energy who's destroying and at the same time loving you the hardest. I don't know, जो माँ काली की भक्ति करता होगा उनको डेफिनेटली ये चीज़ पता होगी that not her anger but her way of molding your life is very different than any other god or goddesses you believe in. Even though you have been destinedly attracted to lot other deities, but I don't know, she chose you somehow. And I keep hearing this, she chose you. So what does she want to tell you? I know बहुत डर लग रहा है, and this fear is since your childhood, very significantly from your teenage or early adult phase or pre-adult phase. 13 to 19 के बीच में कुछ ऐसा हुआ था जो बहुत ड्रास्टिक था आपके लिए. शायद you don't think about it a lot. Probably you don't even remember about it. It's a very strong message. I don't know why this came, but it's very significant that something happened with you in that age frame, and वो आपके साथ actually बहुत stuck कर गया है. That is releasing, and I feel like to cry, but you're trying to transform this into something productive, and you have done that before. आपको पता है कि energies कैसे transform करते हैं. So you've done that magnificently before. This transformation is not something like before. It's something really, really different. I know you're being on a rebel mode ke, if somebody is telling you to do something, or even if your intuition is telling you to do something, you're like, मैं तो ये नहीं करूँगी. but you are a child, you're like a child, you're behaving like a child. But it's not that you are in your ego or you are just throwing tantrums. That thing really hurt you, and you don't even know that it hurt you. This feels like the final stage of your healing period, and उसके बाद आपका एक पूरा नया दौर start होने वाला है. Like again, we are amidst this Mercury retrograde and endings and beginnings, because tomorrow is new moon. But this is heavy, and it's a weird kind of heavy. मैं पूछने वाली थी कि क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि she's gonna, of course, she is not going to sugarcoat your transformation. She does not sugarcoat anything. She completely, like, something doesn't work out, done, doesn't work out. So is it going to be something like that, or is it something that you're bringing onto your life and you have attracted this transformation so many times? Like, if you're a healer, if you get attracted to healers, if you get attracted to your journey, but you don't know, okay, what kind of path is this? Like, is this even kind of a path? Like, is this true? The magic, this blah blah blah. तो क्या ऐसा कोई रकस होगा? Because of course that has been a very significant type of pattern in your life जो चलती रहती है and suddenly कुछ ऐसे होगा कि काया पलट हो जाएगी. Like, the things turn out in your favor, but that situation becomes like so PTSD, मतलब उस स्टेट में आप चले जाते हो that के ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं हो जाएगा, even though you're not able to see कि इसमें अच्छा ज़्यादा हुआ है. ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है क्या? This came out, that's why I laughed. 5 of Wands. Well, people say, like, how can you read tarot, this, that, but some cards, literally, if I say rakas, if I say fight, can't you see that is something that's happening in the card? Like, आप एक ऐसी जर्नी पे भी हो सकते हो, whether you are, if you're seeing this video and you are like, ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है क्या? Because maybe आपकी जर्नी ऐसी है कि not just even tarot, but could be anything that's making you question कि ऐसा हो सकता है ये. What is this energy? What is this energy? It's very scientific. It's factual. It exists. So I want to take more cards. I don't know. This is one type of confirmation for you. वो रकस अब शायद नहीं होगा. वो रकस अब शायद नहीं होगा. You might be seeing a lot of 5s. Look at that. 5 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles. You've stopped living on people's energies, even if it's your parents, your siblings, your relatives, your friend, partner, lover, whoever it is. You stopped living on their energies. बस वहाँ पे तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं मिलता था. You kept roaming around outside in the cold, and nobody had that courtesy to call you in and be like, अरे अंदर आ जा, बाहर बहुत ठंड है, you know, look at this. Even though probably you were injured, उल्टा you know तेरे पे responsibility डाल दी कि अरे तूने तो ये भी नहीं देखा मेरा, तूने तो ये भी नहीं देखा, what the hell, you know, or just utterly blamed you for no reason, for probably what they fucked up. That created that insecurity in your foundation itself. Okay, and you accepted that as love. That's why you were being like childlike. She's with you. You're so protected. Okay, you're so protected. You're so loved. More than you're protected, you're so loved. This is not career, this is not finance, this is not what I am perceiving. It's about what guidance you are seeking for, because this situation you are in, this stress, this like what is happening, what is this transformation happening, I don't know. Then this is that guidance that you're seeking right now. Within 7 days, and I don't know, I said 7 and 7, hey, so 7 is also a number of spirituality. So ये जो 7 days के बाद कोई एक ऐसी opportunity आ सकती है that is going to be very subtle, मतलब जिसमें आपको कोई potential नहीं दिखेगा. Okay, and probably it might trigger like this situation, which is the blessing in disguise, and you will know basically that this will come to a revelation that कि ये मतलब एक प्रॉब्लम है जो बस रह गई है. That's probably the last thing that you're supposed to like heal, and then you won't get burned again and again. And now, because now healing, you've chosen healing, right? And now healing is not something that's like कि भाई 7 साल heal हो गए and you're done, and then you can live your life spirit free, freedom. No, तब तक वो 7 साल में कुछ और हो गया होता है जो you know probably lot of things. So that is not something that I'm telling about. My point here is कि बहुत subtle चीज़ होगी पर बहुत तगड़ी opportunity है. Okay, within 7 days. And when you choose healing, उसमें like you it goes back and forth. Like today I choose healing, so my life won't be like you know every cycle. So मतलब एक cycle खत्म हो गई तो मतलब clean slate it will start from a blank page. No, it takes time because you keep correcting yourself every now and then. For example, आपने डिसाइड किया I want to get up 5 a.m. every day. Now your healing is linear. To form even a habit, that is yoga. That is the action that you do, and that action makes you habitual of getting up at 5 a.m. Why? Because it's good for health. You can do 10 other things, blah blah blah. So very first day you're not going to be like 5 baje उठ गई मैं तो. That never happens. So probably first day you'll get up like 6 a.m. or maybe 7 a.m. That's still early. If you get up late, maybe then, linearly, gradually, then आधा घंटा और जल्दी 6:30, then 6, and then gradually you reach at 5. Or even if you're a superhuman and you reach like 5 a.m. every day, that's really unbelievable. But if you do that, still it cannot happen कि तुम 6 a.m. या 5 a.m. every day उठ जाओ. And every morning is also going to be different. Probably you're getting up every day and you're thinking of exercising every day. Probably you don't exercise every day. Probably you exercise twice a day. It's linear, it's gradual. Linearly gradual, matlab धीरे धीरे you reach there. Healing is also like that. You keep correcting yourself, and you keep correcting yourself for life. That's how you become, and you keep learning, and you become the best version of yourself. So just because you have started this journey, it's not going to just happen in a day. It's going to take time. Okay, so you need to stop stressing about that, because Ma Kali wants to tell you that whatever the life you're looking outside of this is actually you've built it within, and you are that kind of a person who will feel that 100% and full throttle believe in yourself. Okay, you are a very creative person, and people always told you otherwise because they knew your potential, not because they didn't know your potential. They didn't want you to know your own potential. Okay, I hope this makes sense. And I am feeling really light after doing this reading. I felt like I had to do this. And if you feel like crying, if you don't want to cry, you feel like you want to transform this energy, blah blah blah, do something very intricate, delicate, creative, painting, maybe craft or DIY. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. And I know maybe if you're not able to do that physically right now, just sleep. Just sleep, because you are overthinking. And whatever you are going through, that's really important. And what you can do, you do that only. If you're able to get up, eat, sleep, repeat, do that. That's enough for right now, because you're healing. This Mercury retrograde is going to be a little bit heavier on you. If it is heavier, weirdly different, you're going through a spiritual transformation. And of course, whoever is watching this needs this guidance, is definitely here for a reason.